This is Rebecca. She works in the business school. She needs to book a room and some media equipment for an upcoming research symposium. And this is John, a postgraduate physics student. He needs to book some lab equipment and a technician for an experiment he's working on. When it comes to booking rooms and equipment, they don't use pen and paper, confusing spreadsheets, or even complicated solutions that can't integrate with each other or with existing systems. They use Resource Booker, a user-friendly cloud-based single system that streamlines and simplifies the booking of all resource types across an institution. It is intuitive and works on a broad range of devices, so students and staff can even use it on the go. The application administrator can add new things that staff and students can book and also set booking permissions. This ensures that everyone gets easy, controlled and fair access to all resources. Make full use of your institution's resources without overloading administrative staff, timetablers, and your IT department. Resource Booker. Simple, successful resource management.